Welcome to FTH Services LLC, your top choice for dumpster rental in Griffin, Georgia. At FTH Services LLC, we provide reliable and efficient waste management solutions to simplify your disposal needs. We offer dumpsters in various sizes to cater to your specific requirements, whether you need them for home cleanouts or construction projects. Our dumpsters are made of high-quality materials and are well maintained to ensure durability. Knowing that our containers meet the highest quality standards, you can be confident in tackling your cleanup projects. Our friendly team is dedicated to making your dumpster rental experience hassle-free and seamless. We prioritize your satisfaction and can assist you with any questions or concerns. FTH Services LLC is your reliable partner in efficient waste management, providing prompt and dependable services. Our streamlined rental process ensures you get the right dumpster delivered on time. We make it convenient with flexible pickup schedules that fit your needs. Our team ensures that your dumpster is placed precisely, minimizing any disruptions to your project. Are you ready to simplify your waste disposal with FTH Services LLC? Contact us today at 478-993-5611 or visit our website at www.fthdumsterrental.com. Dumpster Rental in Griffin, Georgia, to book your dumpster rental. Choose FTH Services LLC for efficient and reliable dumpster rental services to make your cleanup projects easier and stress-free.